What are you guys watching? Can you say Dora? No, you're paying attention to the TV. Can anybody say macaroni and cheese? Hey Stella. Yeah, you got it. You guys are good. What's up, Stella? Yeah, what is that? What's in there? It's a bag. Do you want me to, hey Stella, do you want me to open that for you? Hey baby, do you want me to open that? Here, I'll open it. Here baby, I'll open it. Here Stella, I'll open it. Oh! You got it open. Good job. Whoa. You're in Diego.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. That's the wrong side. It's all closed up. Here. We'll try.